Abazire bo mwererewe emyezi 3 otazibwe empundo omu kyaro kya Bubare North Karongo Ward omu rurembo rwa Hoima twabashanga bashobanjirirwe nawe ahirwariro rya Hoima Erihango.
Nkagenda hamusiri omwana nyamuleka omuka omwana mugenzi we w'emyaka 12 yamuleta hamusiri ayonke abo kuba kabanachura baito mukujja hamusiri omuhanda omakabata kampikiro ekitera kyeyijja kikakwata omwana muwojo okuguru na mani kyamusika kyamunaga ekigoyagoya nago omwana ekitera kiwakwata omwana
kyamne n'omukono obwara kyabukiwaho kyakwala kyamne n'omukono kyawe igufa lya mpeka lyalisikamu kyaka kyamne n'akara kokuguru akyamutagura haliso yahutara
atibwire buno mukono gwaiti guro mbutulekeroho taina nkwagenda kuyambibwa mu futa yayo mu maiso basobole kumuyamba nibamusagika
okurugera harishe bumwerere agurize burikamwe hatitachine bwekoro
tukafune mtu wena kuja kuga kutuyamba kujenga umwana waitu tukakwa turaitwenka tufundo bwaitu mpora obutunze ibimo bakabuzi kujenga umwana
abantu bagira ngo bashikirira barukujinanizibwe nyamishwa konka tine cyo babahwerire
tukisaba nyamayishwa barubyeyi batukwatireho cyo mwane fuire takyasura kora kitu kiona kwa atafuka mulema
yajja abudemu omusayi mungi esawe kubanga mukumuke byatwamusanga makyala nkine mu nyindo ne mukama mubudemu omusayi n'ekyo mukisomulungi yakyayi mulamu omutima kuko
Moses Africa warden wa Kabwoya Wild Reserve nagira ngo baza kureba umwana ogwahirwaro hamwe na no kubakwatiraho omukumujanjaba konkatagambire ne ryari.
I don't think that we took them there. Naturally, I think they have been there, but we are taking the responsibility of looking after them. The compensation scheme is out. We would really see how to compensate for that kid. But the procedure, they're supposed to have reported to police. Then we come on the ground, we do the assessment report. Then we give them the form to fill.
Okwerekeji teresime ya 0 ina chinana na mwenda chenda nemwe inshanju nibiri iryo mazina ga majidisi ngoma ishe wo mwana amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose nuwagaba gatoto.